Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something a little different but incredibly important to talk about: the best pubic hair trimmers of 2024. Yep, you heard it right. We're diving into this topic to help you find the perfect tool for your personal grooming needs. Before we jump into the reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product recommendations. Number 5. The Happy Nuts. The Barber Electric Groin and Body Hair Trimmer for Men is a specialized trimmer designed for grooming the sensitive areas of the male body, including the groin and pubic region. It features a number of features that make it a popular choice for men who want to keep their body hair trimmed and neat, including dual cutting edges. The Barber has two cutting edges, making it easy to shave in either direction. This is especially helpful in hard-to-reach areas. Nut-safe blade. The Barber's blade is designed to be safe on the most sensitive areas of the body. It has a pivoting head and rounded teeth to help prevent cuts, nicks, and tugging. Long-lasting battery. The Barber has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 150 minutes on a single charge. This means you can groom your body hair without having to worry about running out of power. Waterproof design. The Barber is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or bath. This makes it easy to clean and disinfect. In addition to these features, the Barber also comes with a number of attachments for different grooming needs. These attachments include trimmer comb. This comb allows you to trim your body hair to different lengths. Body hair trimmer. This trimmer is designed for removing larger amounts of body hair. Detail trimmer. This trimmer is ideal for precise trimming of smaller areas, such as the beard and mustache. Overall, the Happy Nuts. The Barber Electric Groin and Body Hair Trimmer for Men is a well-designed and effective trimmer for grooming the sensitive areas of the male body. It is easy to use, safe, and comes with a variety of attachments for different grooming needs. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Happy Nuts. The Barber Electric Groin and Body Hair Trimmer for Men. Pros: dual cutting edges for easy trimming in either direction. Nut-safe blade to prevent cuts, nicks, and tugging. Long-lasting battery. Waterproof design. Variety of attachments for different grooming needs. Cons: some users have reported that the trimmer can be noisy. The trimmer is on the more expensive side. Over. Number 4. The Gillette Intimate Men's Manscaped Pubic Hair Trimmer is a versatile and easy-to-use trimmer for your pubic area and other intimate areas. It is designed to be gentle on delicate skin, yet effective at trimming even the thickest hair. Here are some of the key features of the Gillette Intimate Men's Manscaped Pubic Hair Trimmer. Skin-first technology. Closely spaced blades designed to minimize nicks, cuts, and shaving irritation. 3 interchangeable skin shielding guards for different trim lengths from 3 to 11 millimeters. Waterproof and cordless. 4 wet or dry use in the shower or out. Powerful Li-ion rechargeable battery. Lasts up to 100 minutes on a single charge. Lifetime sharp blades. Stay sharper longer for a cleaner, more comfortable trim. To use the Gillette Intimate Men's Manscaped Pubic Hair Trimmer, simply choose the desired guard length and attach it to the trimmer. Then turn on the trimmer and gently glide it over your pubic hair in the direction of hair growth. Be careful not to press down too hard, as this can increase the risk of irritation. Once you have finished trimming, rinse the trimmer head under running water to remove any hair clippings. You can also use a brush to clean the blades. Here are some tips for using the Gillette Intimate Men's Manscaped Pubic Hair Trimmer. Start with the longest guard length and gradually work your way down to the desired length. Trim in the direction of hair growth to reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Be careful not to press down too hard on the trimmer head. Rinse the trimmer head under running water after each use. Use a brush to. Number 3. The Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 7000 Showerproof Body and Manscaping Trimmer and Shaver. BG703049 is a versatile tool that allows you to trim and shave your body hair below the neck, including the most sensitive areas. It has a unique two-sided design with a foil shaver on one side and an integrated trimmer with 5 length settings on the other side. This means you can switch between shaving and trimming without having to change attachments. The Body Groom Series 7000 is also showerproof, so you can use it wet or dry. It has a powerful lithium-ion battery that provides up to 80 minutes of cordless use after a 1-hour charge. Here are some of the key features of the Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 7000. Two-sided design with a foil shaver and an integrated trimmer. Showerproof for wet or dry use. 5 adjustable length settings. Ergonomic grip for maximum control and precision. Powerful lithium-ion battery for up to 80 minutes of cordless use. Worldwide voltage charger. Overall, the Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 7000 is a well-designed and versatile body groomer that offers a variety of features. Number 2, the Panasonic Body Groomer for men and women, unisex wet-dry cordless electric body hair trimmer with 2 comb attachments, multi-directional shaving in sensitive areas, or GK80S. Black is a versatile and effective body groomer that is suitable for both men and women. It features a unique V-shaped head that is designed to easily maneuver into and around sensitive areas, such as the groin, bikini line, and buttocks. The groomer also comes with 2 comb attachments, which allow you to trim your body hair to your desired length. The Panasonic GK80S is equipped with skin protective blade technology, which helps to reduce skin irritation. The blades are rounded and have narrow gaps to prevent pinching and pulling. The groomer can be used wet or dry, making it convenient to use in the shower or bath. Here are some of the key features of the Panasonic GK80S body groomer. V-shaped head for easy maneuvering in sensitive areas, 2 comb attachments for adjustable trim lengths, skin protective blade technology to reduce skin irritation, wet-dry operation for convenience, cordless operation for easy use. Up to 50 minutes of battery life on a Number 1, the Manscaped Electric Groin Hair Trimmer. The Lawn Mower 4.0 is a high-performance trimmer designed specifically for men's groin hair. It features a number of features that make it a popular choice for men who want to keep their grooming routine simple and effective. Skin-safe ceramic blade heads. The ceramic blades are designed to be gentle on the skin even in sensitive areas. They are also rust-resistant and easy to clean. Waterproof wet-dry clippers. The Lawn Mower 4.0 can be used wet or dry, so you can trim in the shower or bathtub or on dry land. Rechargeable battery. The Lawn Mower 4.0 has a rechargeable battery that provides up to 90 minutes of use on a single charge. Wireless charging. The Lawn Mower 4.0 comes with a wireless charging dock, so you can easily keep it charged and ready to use. In addition to these features, the Lawn Mower 4.0 also comes with a number of attachments, including adjustable trimming guards, a foil head for a close shave, and a body hair trimmer. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used to groom all of your body hair. Overall, the Manscaped Electric Groin Hair Trimmer, the Lawn Mower 4.0, is a well-designed and effective trimmer that is perfect for men who want to keep their groin hair trimmed and neat. It is also a good choice for men who want a versatile trimmer that can be used for all of their body grooming needs. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Manscaped Electric Groin Hair Trimmer, the Lawn Mower 4.0. Pros: gentle on the skin, waterproof wet-dry clippers, rechargeable battery, wireless charging, versatile with a number of attachments. Cons: can be a bit expensive. Some users have reported that the battery life is not as long as advertised. Overall, the Manscaped Electric Groin Hair Trimmer, the Lawn Mower 4.0, is a good choice for men who are looking for a high-performance trimmer that is gentle on the skin. It is also